Hey everybody, CD here. Want to introduce you to the latest one. You seen this rifle earlier down on the shooting range. At a 308 standard sporter barrel, Remington 700. I should start over with. That's a mate. Just got her back from Gunsmith. Had a number 8 contour Schillen barrel mounted to it. Inch 200 thousandths at the chamber. Tapers 24 inch, 1 inch 50 thousandths. Got an inch on the end. Ran 4 different recipes through it the other day. It didn't shoot all that great yet. Everything hung around 1 inch groups, 5 shots. Give you a rundown on it. Got a lane suppressor setting on the end of it. Scorpion, they call it a short 30 caliber. 308, you know, the smaller, not big mag 30-06 stuff, but it works on it, just not as efficient. The scope, 8.5 25 Leupold Vari-X 3i, very good piece of glass. I've got a Vortex level mounted to that. I think it is Warren rings if I remember right. I can't really say for sure on that. When the gunsmith mounted it, he had the barrel off. I had him lap the lugs a little bit. He said he didn't do too much to them. They were pretty smooth. They had good contact. That's good enough. Good enough. Manor T4 stock. This stock, I don't know the history of it. I don't know where it come from, who had it, what was bedded into it. A Remington 700, obviously, but it does not fit this action all that fantastic. You think it would, but even in action, they're not exactly the same time and again. I have contact on the barrel in front of the recoil lug and very little, if any, back behind the lug. So when you tighten your action screws down, you're actually putting a twist into that. I'm going to rebed the whole thing, take everything out of there, start over from scratch. Anyway, that's what's coming at you. I just got this thing out, the 6.5 PRC. I got that back from another gunsmithing place. I had the barrel threaded, same suppressor. You like watching my content, subscribe. I'd appreciate it. If you want to see the shooting of it, all my shooting, just about all the prairie dog shooting I've done, is on my Patreon page. You guys know what YouTube is doing to us. I put a movie video on there and absolutely goes nowhere. That's the future of YouTube. Anyway, I wanted to introduce you, and I'm calling the beast. This thing is going to be immaculate. Take care. Thanks for coming along.